Adobe Connect Meeting hosts can use the Hands Up pod to present more prevalent communication icons for attendees. The standard communication or status icons are along the top application bar of an Adobe Connect meeting session. Using these status icons takes a little bit more mouse travel time, and sometimes users miss the additional status options in the drop-down menu. To use Hands Up, go to an existing SharePod or open a new one. From the Share Center drop-down, choose Share Document. Click Shared Content, click Extra Pods, click Hands Up. Within a few seconds, Hands Up will upload and open. From there, the host can choose preferred settings. You can choose which icons to display, whether or not they have sound, the volume or level of sound, and also options for chat, chat flash, and auto step away. You can apply these to all layouts or just to the current layout that you're on. Once you're happy with all your settings, X out the window. Individual users will also have the option to mute my sounds. You can position the pod anywhere you like. You can resize. You can hide the title bar. And you have an easy clear all to clear the feedback. On mobile, Hands Up Pod shows as unsupported, however integrates into the feedback given by mobile attendees. For technical assistance with Adobe Connect Meeting, please call Contact North Technical Help Desk at 1-888-850-4628, Monday to Friday, 7:30 in the morning Eastern until 10:30 at night. For additional Adobe Connect Meeting resources, check out the Help icon on the top right corner of your portal login.